If you love ordering yummy lettuce wraps, just wait till you make them at home.
It all starts with this savory chicken filling.
And then, of course, you can't forget the homemade crunchy fried rice noodles.
All perfectly layered together in a crispy lettuce leaf.
And then it comes together with a homemade zingy Asian sauce.
Oh, put these on the table and watch those fingers wrap around these wraps.
Now, that's a wrap. Oh my gosh, they're so good. So we're making, if you've never heard of P.F. Chang's, find them.
Yeah.
They are so good, and these lettuce wraps are what put them on the map.
They've been around a while.
They
Not as long as McDonald's or anything.
But they're great. So, okay, we're going to get started with, we're doing our copycat version, and we've got a pound of ground chicken. So these babies are so delicious, but they're also pretty healthy too, which is, you know, kind of.
Yeah, so you can eat like 8 of them.
Which you will have to find yourself doing. So, okay, so I've got this, I put this in a skillet over a medium heat, and we're going to brown this up. Okay.
So we've got 2 sauces.
2?
Yes. So one sauce that goes over the lettuce, and then another sauce that goes in with the chicken.
Like a stir
We'll
fry.
talk about that in just a second. But one of the key ingredients for the layering sauce or the dipping sauce, what do we want to call that?
Just the sauce that goes on top.
The sauce.
The top sauce.
the top sauce. So the top sauce, we have
S&B, it's Oriental
so
Hot
good.
Mustard powder.
It's like mustard powder with a kick.
With a zing to it.
Yes.
And it's that particularly, like you said, is like very popular, used in restaurants. It's hard to find unless you order it online, which is really easy to do that, or go to an Asian market. But also, you can find hot mustard in the Asian section of many well-stocked supermarkets.
And then I'm going to take a teaspoon of this hot mustard, and I want to make it, what is it called? Flour it.
You're going to blossom it.
Blossom it.
Blossom. So what that does is
teaspoon of the cold water.
That's just, you do cool tap water, but cold water just helps it blossom, and that just helps get the flavor. And that's going to sit for about 5 minutes.
Oh, look at that, you guys.
And that's going to be the basis for this amazing top sauce that we talked about.
Wow. Okay. All right.
We're now going to move on to the stir fry sauce.
Okay. Great. All right. So let's do that. All right. Put this over here. All right. Got that there. Move this here. Sorry, I've got so much stuff that I'm working with.
Yes, it's a challenge, isn't it?
Thank you. Okay, so this is the sauce that goes, like Chris said, in the chicken. We've got a 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce.
All of this stuff is easy to find in your Asian section of your supermarket.
Yes, and then I've got 2 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Yum, yum, yum. You could use low sodium if you want.
All right, and I have some rice wine vinegar. This is a tablespoon. A tablespoon of sesame oil. Oh, I love sesame oil.
Flavor.
Then I have a teaspoon of
Minced ginger.
Minced ginger. Then some garlic. I got 2 cloves of garlic. And I'm going to get these all mixed together so that when Chris needs it, he can throw it in with his chicken mixture.
Okay, so you're going to mix that together. I'm going to need it real soon, but we've got a couple more seconds until this is fully cooked, and then we're going to keep building the flavor.
Perfect.
Okay, so now this is perfectly cooked. It may render a little bit of grease. Get rid of most of it. You're going to leave a little back because there's flavor in there. Now we're going to keep building out this amazing filling. I have got, this is 8 ounces of water chestnuts. You want to get them pretty finely chopped, and you could do that in your food processor, but just remember when you do that, these things have a lot of water content. This right here is 4 ounces of mushrooms. I just use white button mushrooms. Again, I finely chopped them. If you chop them if you do it in your food processor, you would just got to be very careful because you don't want them to get mushy. The whole thing about these lettuce wraps is there's a little nice crunch to it. So, okay, so now, and then I've got the 3 scallions, and I'm using just the white parts of them that I've chopped, and I'm going to cook these for just a few minutes until they get nice and soft. Okay.
Okay, finally, I can start. We are now going to do the top sauce. We started the top sauce with that hot mustard, which is now bloomed, right?
It has.
It's floured or bloomed. Anyway, so let's build this top sauce. I've got 2 tablespoons. This is a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar, sorry. A tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. 2 tablespoons of Oh, this is chili paste. We love chili paste.
So there's a good amount of heat. This sauce has got a kick to it for sure, and
So
you can
good.
control the kick by how much of that you put in there. Also, the hot mustard. The hot mustard has got a kick.
We
to
like
it
a
too.
kick, so we put 2 tablespoons.
So we did 2
in there.
tablespoons. If you don't want much of a kick, do 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon.
Speaking of teaspoons, I got a teaspoon of sesame oil.
Yeah, keep that flavor profile going.
So good. And then here's that hot mustard mix that we put together that has floured so lovely. It's almost become like a mustard now.
It has. Imagine that.
And we're just gonna mix it all together, and we're just gonna let these flavors all meld, because I'm telling you, you'll just want to take a bath in this sauce. It's so good.
So this is our stir fry sauce. So this only takes a couple minutes, and we are now ready for that stir fry sauce that you so wonderfully put together.
Yes. Here it is, folks.
Okay.
All right.
Now this is where the flavor just starts to become that classic Asian flavor that we all love so much.
Yes.
So okay, so this is only going to take.
Can we quickly just say what we're gonna put them on?
Exactly. Yes.
So we've got some lettuce leaves here. We're using bib lettuce just because they're pretty and they envelop the lettuce wrap nicely.
They do. I think P.F. Chang's uses iceberg. Iceberg is great because it's even crisper than that. But it's hard to get those really perfect, nice cups. So butter or bib lettuce is really perfect.
Just nicely cups it.
It cups it.
And then we've got these rice noodles. This is vermicelli, I believe, right?
It is, it
And
is.
you just basically get some hot oil, what is it, 375?
400 to 400. You want to make sure it's definitely hot, because if it's not hot enough, they won't. As soon as you drop them in, they do this, and then
so
get them
fun.
right out. It takes a little bit of practice, but the packages, you get a ton of them, and a little goes a long way.
And these are great. They have that little crunch on the bottom.
They're classic. They're what P.F. Chang's uses, and so of course we're trying to do a copycat. You don't have to do that, but you can get these vermicelli they're easy to find at the Asian market, or no, at your supermarket.
Yeah, totally.
And just go for it, have fun. Okay, this is only gonna go for just another minute or so.
It smells so good.
I know, and then we bring it together. Okay, so these are so much fun.
That looks...
I know, so good to serve like family style. I think that's the way they do it at P.F. Chang's. We haven't been there in a while. But anyway, so now everyone's got their own their pieces of lettuce.
Little bed of lettuce.
We do kind of a double layer, so it's nice and sturdy.
Yeah, and I'm going to start off with these rice noodles, crunchy rice noodles. Hold on. Oops, they make a mess too.
Oh, no, they don't. They're
well,
fun.
actually, I should correct myself. I make a mess.
There you go.
There we go.
That's
One
wonderful.
second.
I love those things. They just add everything.
There's my
I know,
mess.
they like to kind of jump around. Okay, so now I'm going to give you some of this.
Oh, there we go, Chris.
And these are meant to be a little messy, so I'm going to
There we go. Come on.
You want a little more? Of course you want a little more. All right.
Here, let's get that right here. Oh, perfect, Chris.
These were the very first thing. My sister found out about these many years ago. I would bet 20 years ago. P.F. Chang's been around a while. And she said, "You've got to try these things. They're called lettuce wraps." We're like, okay. And so we came and visited here in Texas. We weren't living here. And we ate them. And we were like, I love them.
It was like maybe 25 years ago.
It was a long time ago. Yeah.
It's like when P.F. Chang started, being popular or something.
I think they really revolutionized like the fine dining of Asian food. And they're just so good and still a classic today.
Yeah. Oh, look at that, you guys. Okay.
Now again, this is kind of a thin sauce, but this has got a kick to it. So if you
just want to drink it up.
Well, unless you don't like things that are kind of spicy, but it's not. I don't think it's too spicy. It's that good spicy.
I'm dying.
I know. This is the perfect appetizer.
Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Okay. I'm going to make a mess of myself.
That's okay. We're used to it.
Thanks.
Flavor crunch. That mustard has a little bit of a serious like mustard flavor, almost like horseradish. And the crunch of the noodle, I love it. I could make a meal out of these. This is the perfect start to a great Asian meal.
I shoved a lot in my mouth. Thanks for the Chris and White Voice. That is amazing. I love that hot mustard.
I do too.
It is so good. I'm gonna say it, not spray it. Those are 1,000,000% Luna proof.
Way! Yay!
I love
something healthy
Everybody's
and
just looking at me.
an appetizer and healthy got 1,000,000%. I
It is
know.
so good.
Wow. Okay. Well, I'm gonna dig
You might
in.
want to serve these with a fork too, you know, to get all those little crumbles up off the plate.
Certainly napkins.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. We hope you've had fun because I think we've had a lot of fun. It's a blast to make. It brings the family together.
Oh, that is good.
It's good party food. All right, make lettuce wraps and be happy.
Wrap it up, Chris. Wrap it up.
I'm trying to. Bye.